Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you all how to add tags and mention by using the tags. Click three dot next to the theme name, choose manage themes, go to tags option, click create tag. Provide a name for your tag, add people to the tag. Bear in mind, only group members can be added into your tags and click create. You may create as many tags as you would like to in order to mention the members in your group. Once done, go to members list and check if the tags were applied. Now, go to the conversation tab and mention your members by using the tags that you have created.